In this video, I will show you how to activate Straight Talk Phone from Walmart. Ensure you have all the components, including the phone, SIM card, and any accompanying manuals or activation guides. Depending on the model, you may need to insert the SIM card into your phone. Follow the instructions provided in your phone's manual. Select whether you are activating a new phone with a new number, transferring your current number to a new phone, or bringing your own phone, BYOP. Enter the required information such as your phone's serial number, IMEI, ESN, SIM card number, and your Straight Talk service plan PIN. If transferring a number, you'll need your current account information from your previous carrier. Review your information and complete the activation process. You might need to restart your phone after activation. Make a call, send a text, and browse the internet to ensure that your phone is working correctly. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.